Hello everyone, my name is Suyash Srinivas Katkam. I am from FE9 branch Computer Engineering. My topic for Beyond Curriculum video is water level indicator. These are used in factories, chemical plants to control pump activation, rainfall detection, leakage detection, etc. The equipments include for this project are 5 transistors of BC547, 5 LEDs of 3 volts, soldering wire and soldering iron, 5 resistors of 100 ohms and battery of 5 volts, etc. The working principle of this project is put 5 transistors of BC547 on the breadboard in one row, soldering to each one with soldering wire. Put 5 resistors of 100 ohms in the next row of the breadboard and we have to solder it again. After soldering resistor, put 5 LEDs between each 5 resistors and solder it again to set up properly. After that we have to solder each one properly with steel wire with 5 volt battery. We have to solder it very carefully one by one. The circuit diagram for the topic is given as shown besides it. Now by putting battery of 5 volt, we have to put positive and negative terminals very carefully and tighten with the wire. Take the water in the glass slowly by putting the wires of the breadboard in the glass to check the level of the LEDs lights according to water level, that is high, medium or low, etc. Thank you.